What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So it is Tuesday and we have 37 units today, so it should be a fairly quickly day. Not super quick, but probably finish around 3 to 5 hopefully. I'm following my wife again because she has another doctor's appointment, and she has like 2 more doctor's appointments because we should be having my son within 2 to 2.5 weeks maybe. So we have 2 girls and 1 boy on the way. So it's my first boy, so I'm fairly excited, and I'm just hoping everything goes good, which I'm being positive and know everything will, but I'm just very excited. I want him here today, but it's okay, I'll wait until the 2 weeks. But yeah guys, if you enjoy these type of videos, be sure to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment of the best part or any recommendations on any other videos that you would like to see. But other than that guys, I'll keep you updated. Peace. Perfect. Get this. Perfect. No gaps. So the plumbing interferes with this one by, so we have to take it off so we could just do the plumbing easily.
Ojos y despierta. Soldados nos rodean, tropas tirantes de trocas y todo lo controlo Europa. Y un hombre muere mientras otro niño nace. Alquimista de palabras, el remedio para la mente. La educación no te la enseñan porque el gobierno te la vende. Te tiene que entender presente, pasado y futuro.